I'm not getting any power to them, so I'm going to check the fuse and relay box. How you'll do that is you'll just go to the hood. After you open up the hood, you're going to go to the fuse and relay box, which is right here behind the battery. I'm just going to pull that open. After I've opened it, I can see on the bottom of the cover we have the diagram, and it says cigarette lighter 15 amp right here. When you look at many vehicles, you're going to see there's actually going to be a fuse puller. I'm going to pull this one by hand, or I'm going to get a tweezers, or I'm going to use a puller from a different vehicle. So I pulled that one out. I'm actually going to replace that. I'm going to take a new one, and I'm going to put this in and push it down. Now that I have that in place, I come back into the vehicle, and now the fan is working on this. So that's what it was. I fixed the fuse, and so if you're having an issue with your cigarette lighter, check your fuse. Now, hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. A fuse box on the side. You're going to come to the bottom here.
Picture there, we're going to come to the bottom, we're going to pull that forward, and that's just going to pop off. And when you look in here, you're going to see, when you look at the back of that cover, you're going to see that there's a diagram for what each of these goes to as well, and there's some spare fuses as well. So we're going to put that back on, and then we're going to go under the hood here.
And on the bottom of the cover, you will also see the diagram for what these go to. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.